In this video, we will demonstrate the advanced cleaning process for the Evolis Primacy 2. After inserting 5,000 cards, performing an advanced cleaning is necessary. To initiate the advanced cleaning process, start by opening the Evolis Premium Suite 2 and clicking on the brush icon. Then, select Advanced Cleaning. In this cleaning process you need to prepare a short adhesive card, long T card, and cleaning swab. Then you click Next. Here, you need to remove all the cards from the printer and store them in the box. Failing to do so may result in card scratches, which can affect your printouts. When you remove the cards and ribbon, Evolis Premium Suite 2 will display a green tick, enabling you to click Next. Without this step, it will not allow you to proceed to the next stage. Then set the thickness to the maximum. Afterward, place the long T card into the printer. The long T card takes around 1 minute to complete the cleaning process. After the cleaning process is complete, the T card will automatically eject from the printer. After the long T card cleaning, you use the adhesive short card to clean the printer. The short card cleaning process will be completed in approximately 20 seconds. Once you've completed the short card and long T card cleaning, remember to reset your thickness setting to 0.76. After using the cleaning card, use the cleaning swab to clean the print head. When using the cleaning swab to clean the print head, make sure to swipe it in only one direction. After cleaning the print head, long press the power button to keep the rollers running. Then, use the cleaning swab to clean the rollers. There are a total of 6 rollers that you need to clean. Finally, reinsert your card and ribbon, and the advanced cleaning process is complete.
Please like, share, and subscribe our YouTube channel, follows our Facebook's pages and visit our websites www.alcadc.com.